Ito na nga, we're back again. Similar clothes after drink pink clothes. Lang, pero ang isa sa gusto namin talagang balikan, I mean, I know, kung magkakalistahan tayo simula nung una pa baka hindi kami umuwi para lang mahabol ang mga videos na kailangan. Pero yon, apart from our busy schedules, actually we still have something to do after this pa rin. Pero talagang we will make time for this kasi I find it really special. This is a performance especially dedicated for Vivo.
Yeah.
And what's Vivo, Matt?
Vivo? Vivo?
Mm-mm.
Parang, ay,
Vivo, sis!
Vivo yung cellphone? Charot, hindi. Pero Vivo, alam mo to, Lady Gaga, Beyonce,
Miley
Miley
Cyrus.
Cyrus, and all the parang mga pop artists have agreed na parang for Vivo, they will upload music videos.
True.
They will use Vivo to measure. Alam mo kasi, Bes, mahaba pong kwento. Ay ako na lang ikwento. Pero,
prestigious ka kapag naimbitahan ka for Vivo.
Basta, mahaba yung kwento. And I think sa live na lang natin ikikwento. No? I think yung 2009, parang nagiging unfair yung charts. Ito, share ko lang mabilis ha. Nagiging unfair yung charts kasi parang kailangan talagang laging pure sales, radio play, para ma-determine kung sino yung number one sa chart. Hindi nila isinasama yung mga streams, hindi nila sinasama yung views sa YouTube. But Vivo came into the picture.
Yes.
And so, ngayon, we have Vivo. Siguro sa susunod na, ano ba yun? May exam agad?
Pero yun nga, bali, I mean, ang bottom line lang naman is very special tong performance ito kasi I don't know if they were invited or they submitted this. I don't know the full backstory. You can comment it down how this one transpired. Pero again, this is a Gento performance for Vivo. Ayan. So, simulan na natin.
Yeah.
Paano ba yan? Ikaw na.
And I think, no, kaya yun din ang kagandahan na they are part of the Sony music family. I think. Okay. This is like a dystopian world.
Anong pangalan nitong palabas na to? Ang na-imagine ko sa kanya is, naalala mo yung Maze Runner.
Maze Runner, yeah.
Parang ito yung elevator, tapos dyan sila paakyat. Dyan sila aakyat, papunta na sa dystopian world. Nakakaloka. Pero sis, kung tayo naman yun, napanood mo ba yung Maze Runner?
Yeah.
Kung tayo yung nasa Maze Runner, tapos biglang lumabas tong limang to, sila yung next batch na kasi makakasama natin dun sa area. Anong magiging reaction mo?
Ipalalapa ko na yung wala dito. Doon sa monster.
Kala ko, uy pre, nice welcome dito, pre.
Nice, welcome. Tapos, ibigyan mo sila ng food, pagsisilbihan mo sila.
Pagsisilbihan? Sa bagay, magaling siya magluto, so I believe.
Yeah, you should taste my munggo. Huh? A Vivo original production.
Diba?
Diba?
I want some, I get some, no later. I woke up, I'm baked dead potato. Got carved, shaped me for major. But I
Ganda na suot niya, ha?
Ganda ng buhok niya.
Tell me what you see, a cool key, but the real question is, where am I? I'm moving, but nothing on my reality. Cause you see, model me.
Galing. Perfect.
I'm gonna see you later. Pagkatapos ko mag-shower. Medyo ramdam ko ng power. Labas sa sour, mga hater.
Ramdam ko yung power.
Mga bagay-bagay. Pwedeng
I like Jack's outfit.
Yeah.
Let's get Gento. Dito basta bingo.
Power. Best, wait lang, ganito.
Dama mo yung energy ni Ken.
Oo, dama ko yung energy, very subdued. Ganito kasi yung best, no? Parang Gento, we've already witnessed how Gento
1,000 times.
1,000 times are performed. Pero alam mo kasi, there is something about this performance that you're going to perform in a very constricted. Tama ba yung term? Very constricted.
I guess, yeah, I can
Very-
call it that.
Oo, parang masyadong maliit na...
Solemn. Hindi.
Wow!
Solemn!
Nagisimbahan pa. Hindi, parang very, yung parang medyo maliit lang na space.
Mhm.
And, you're not performing in front of a crowd, but in front of a camera.
True.
Maybe you're performing in a handful of staff. The director, the DOP, yung mga makeup artists. And then, a few days ago, you were performing in thousands of people, maybe in Araneta, maybe in a venue in the United States. And then how are you going to level your energy? How do you adjust the vocals? Kasi ako, best, yun yung nakakaloka, di ba? Ikaw nag-host ka. How do you host an event kapag 50 ang viewers? Kapag 100 or 10,000 yung viewers, di ba minsan parang nalilito ka rin
True.
kung paano. So, I just love how they deliver this with the right amount of energy, but on-point vocals, without diminishing the dancey lyrics of Gento. So let's watch.
Nakakita lang ng ginto kahit na wala pang hinto 100% hawak bitaw ko mismo, eto kaya mo di ko basta makakakita
Video victims pa rin talaga itong limang to, no? Hindi na lang dito.
ginto
Si Ja, gusto yung galaw na yun.
Oh!
di ko basta makakakita ng ginto di ko na kailangan lumunok ng batong hindi malada na to aandar ang makina ko tanging mekaniko ay ako lalamoni-moni ko sa daming binigay.
There's something about their vocals here na no?
First, I think perfectly captured. I mean, congratulations to the sound engineer. I think, and I think parang this is kasi sa sound mixing, parang mas nanguna, mas nangibabaw, mas umangat yung vocals more than the
backing track.
I mean the -1. Ang galing. Crystal clear.
True.
Anong gamit yung mga mikropono, di ba?
Vivo yan, sisi.
Vivo production, no?
Tayo kasi Vovo lang
Kasi sa
tayo.
ating Viva.
Vivo.
Viva Maxu. Tariz. Oo.
Pumalig na rito.
Good job, Josh.
Sa likod ng mga pagpege, mana kong hapdi panisto. Laging alisto, kahit pa si Mephisto. Tiglo pag nag-bispo.
No rush, I can do this all day. From mentality like all day. How do I with the how do I apply? Walang kung ko, fikit sa salpakay.
Kanina, when you heard Josh perform dun sa solo niya before this, you can hear na kaagad yung voice ni Kenneth, ni Philip.
Very
Perfectly-
distinct sa
perfect-
kanilang lima.
Perfectly captured nung mic. I mean, kudos din to the mixing. It's so good. Crystal clear. I don't know kung dahil dito rin yun sa laptop na hindi ko pa tapos bayaran or charis, or talaga ang ganda lang ng pagkaka-record. Diba?
True.
Lang naman dati pagkakuha mo mga diretso sigod pa. Kung galing sa lupa, bakit pilitin mo ukain din hindi mo makukuha.
Yeah, I know this isn't over. Matapos ng disaster. Alam ko na I'm in danger. Getting used to na magiging better. Kaya alamin ang mga
Alam mo, yun yung sinasabi kong parang very subdued na performance. Parang Ja is parang nearing parang talking to you na eh. Parang talking na lang to a person eh. Parang you're performing again to for a handful or for you. Parang mag-isa ka lang.
True.
Parang ang ganda ng effect. Ang ganda ng effect talaga. No?
bagay-bagay. Pwedeng tambay sa aking bahay. Lahat ng mataas sa kilay. Gusto mo pinapasok ko na mamadala. Gento, dito basta-basta bingo. Nihit mo, makulit na parang bento. Gento, ano kaya mo? Pinitahin mo kayang pupunan, makakita lang ng ginto. Ginto, kahit na wala pang hinto. Gento, bitaw ko, mismo. Eto kaya mo? Dito basta-basta makakakita ng Let's go!
Wait!
Let's go! Woo! Hey! Yo!
Oh.
Halong kain mo mo na parang gento. Huwag kang hihinto sa ordinaryo. Kahit pa sige hanggang sa magdugo. Di ko basta-basta makakakita ng gento, 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 gento. Halukayin mo na parang gento.
Abot na abot na ni Jayong saan.
Oo, mabuti hindi tumama dun sa ano si Jan, no?
Kahit pa sige hanggang sa magdugo. Di ko basta-basta makakakita nito.
Gusto ni Jayong mga ganon. Hindi na ko pa napapansin.
Kasi nagturo sa inyo niyan.
Sino nagturo niyan? Pero yun nga, it's a refreshing take of Gento. Another refreshing take. Kumbaga, this is parang a closer look into a closer hear, if not look, sa kanilang vocal. Sabi mo nga kanina, very very parang may personal touch yung pakikinig mo nito kasi it's like they're talking to you. So that's what I like most about the video. Plus, yun nga, the place is really good. The quality of the vocal sounds nice. Not to mention, I think it's a given already na maganda talaga yung boses din ng diba?
Yeah. At saka parang ang gusto ko lang talagang maano is how they manage to level the energy.
Sure.
The parang yung kanilang yung stage presence very subdued. How they talk to the camera. Of course, akala nyo madali lang magsalita sa harap ng camera, no? Pero it's very taunting and intimidating if you're going to look at the lens na ginagamit dyan.
Saka curious ka rin siguro kasi kung ano itsura mo, baka naman
Yeah.
kaya. Ito, video vixens na nga itong libro.
And the camera is so focused to the five of you. Alam mo yung best, yung parang
the littlest of things.
The very little mapapansin. Yung
Pero,
parang nag-hesitate ka to enter, nag-hesitate ka na magbiret, nag-hesitate ka to do that dance. Parang it will show. But nevertheless, this is a perfect performance for me.
yes.
I'm saying in a sense na parang given the the set.
True. And I think intended naman to sound that way. Like, hindi naman siguro ito din yung full prod. Though I'd love also to see pa. Ako, pinapangarap ko pa rin yun. Yung mga ginawa before ng BTS na performance sent for this. Not necessarily the music video, pero yung live tapos nasa moving set sila. I think ginawa nila yon sa Korean, yung opening ng Korean Embassy ata. Ay, hindi ko siya Korean Embassy. Yung isang center for Korean something. Umakyat sila papunta sa taas, pero medyo ang liit ng set eh. So parang ako...
So parang galing sila sa aeroplano.
Aeroplano? No. Yung parang ano siya, launch ata to ng KCC.
Parang nasa...
building, basta may building na ano, tapos paakyat sila, napakaganda ng building, pero yun nga, it's kind of narrow. Gusto ko siya makita on a bigger scale ngayon ng perform. Pero that's just us, and this is really a good performance overall. Yan, masasabi ko dito.
Yeah, but for me talaga, parang Gento is already a global phenomenon as we speak. Parang tao dito, and we still want to see more performances of Gento. Can't get enough of that. But I think na ang ano lang dyan talaga best is you cannot give a Gento performance that is below or what is expected of them.
Sure.
Diba? So parang to perform this in a Vivo production is well performed. So congratulations sa Mahalima. Congratulations sa success ng Gento. Diba? Parang we're so proud of you. We're very happy. And we're very much satisfied with this performance.
Yes, and we will be satisfied more if you give us some things in the description box below. That's our GCash, our PayPal, and Buy Me a Coffee. You can also send in super thanks.
No, because this is copyrighted. We don't earn much from these kinds of videos. But we would like to thank to those subscribers na continue pa rin tinutulungan ng mga content creators like us to survive.
I'm your sugar spice and sometimes nice. My name is Blake.
And this is Matt. Never mind.
Never mind.
Never mind
gay.
Yeah.
Charot.
Bye! Sino ka ba yung bye? Bye!
Alas kayo.
Kapapanood natin, Mia.